Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. So in today's video I'm gonna show you soft glowy eye makeup look. So let's get started. So here I'm using this concealer as my base. Then I'm blending this out. Blend this so nicely. Then I'm taking this normal translucent powder to set the concealer, to set my base. Then I'm going to take this peachy orange color. I'm using this on my upper crease area. Then I'm going to take this brown color and I'm gonna apply this on my crease area, just underneath that peachy orange shade. Blend this out. Then I'm gonna take this blue color. I'm using this color all over my lid. Now blend this harsh line. Okay, my blending is almost done. Okay, now it's time to add some glow. I'm using this golden rose shimmer from my Tuscan Sunshine palette by Kiko Milano. I'm using this on center of my eyelid. I'm using a silver shimmer on my brow bone and inner corner to highlight this area. Here I'm using my finger to highlight my inner corner. I think it works better than brush. I have applied that blue shade on my lower lash line. Then I'm taking that brown shade again and I'm applying this on my lower lash line. I have applied kajal as a liner, then I'm smudging that to create a depth on my eyes. I'm taking a concealer to wipe out extra from my outer corner with this angle brush. It will give dimension to my eyes. Here is the final look. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and please do comment and share. Bye.